Hello everyone! It's been a while since I last did a voiceover for an unboxing video. But here we are with another brand new Polène bag. This is their latest release, which just launched recently on 24th February 2025. I picked up mine at the Polène store in Paris, and the moment I saw the design, I knew it would be the perfect summer bag. The Osmo bag comes in 6 colors, but I decided to go with the cognac, which can go with any outfit. The overall design continues to draw inspiration from the Japanese origami, featuring interlocking mirrored leather pieces that create a beautifully symmetrical structure. I also love how the main logo remains discreet, preserving the minimalist and elegant aesthetic. What truly sets this version apart is its Napa leather, a premium material known for its exceptional softness and durability. Since it undergoes minimal processing, it retains its natural beauty and lasts much longer than regular leather. This is also the first time Polène has used this material, making the Osmo bag stand out from the previous models. Even the interior is fully lined with leather, unlike earlier versions that featured cotton or suede lining. The compartment is simple, but surprisingly spacious. I can fit my large wallet and iPhone comfortably, and if you use a smaller wallet, you'd have room for even more essentials like keys, lipstick, and other small items. What do you think about this new bag from Polène? Let me know in the comments.